Hello friends, in this video we will discuss daily usage words along with how to make sentences with their help. So without any further delay, let's get started this video. So our first word is improve, बेहतर बनाना. Sentence: I am always looking for ways to improve. I am always looking for ways to improve. Next, dream, sapna. Sentence: I have a dream to earn a lot of money. I have a dream to earn a lot of money. Next, beautiful, sundar. You are looking too beautiful. You are looking too beautiful. Next, fear, dar. Do you have any fear to me? Do you have any fear to me? Next, necessary, आवश्यक. Sleep is necessary to everyone. Sleep is necessary to everyone. Next, with, साथ. I want to go party with you. I want to go party with you. Next, can, सकना. I know that you can crack SSC exams easily. I know that you can crack SSC exams easily. Next, know, जानना. Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? Next, one, एक. She is one of my English teachers. She is one of my English teachers. Next, meet, मिलना. Where will we meet next time? Where will we meet next time? Next, some, कुछ. Dad gave me some money for buy a new bike. Dad gave me some money for buy a new bike. Next, give, देना. Sentence: Can you give me some money? Can you give me some money? Next, only, केवल. You are my only friend here. You are my only friend here. Next, very, बहुत. I am very upset right now. I am very upset right now. Next, us, हम. Do you want to go with us? Do you want to go with us? Next, expensive, महंगा. Should I buy this expensive dress? Should I buy this expensive dress? Next, now, अभी. Why did you come now? Why did you come now? Next, again, दोबारा. Can we play that game again? Can we play that game again? Next, arrive, आगमन. The train will arrive at platform number 2. The train will arrive at platform number 2. Next, still, फिर भी. Sentence: You cheated me, but still I am with you. You cheated me, but Still I am with you. Next, without, ke bina. We cannot live without water. We cannot live without water. Next, write, likhna. Write a letter to your class teacher. Write a letter to your class teacher. Next, take, lena. Can I take a selfie with you? Can I take a selfie with you? Next, need, jarurat. Sentence, she needs money to buy her medicine. She needs money to buy her medicine. Next, study, adhyan. Let's study our English lesson together. Let's study our English lessons together. Next, decision, निर्णय. Decisions should always be taken thoughtfully. Decisions should always be taken thoughtfully. Next, kind, dayalu. Always be kind, even to strangers. Always be kind, even to strangers. Next, something, kuch. Sentence, I have something for you. I have something for you. Where, kahan. Where are we going today? Where are we going today? Next, during, के दौरान. Sentence, during the session, I saw him fall asleep. During the session, I saw him fall asleep. Next, work, काम. I have to work this weekend. I have to work this weekend. Next, play, खेलना. Sentence, we will play together every day. We will play together every day. Next, always, हमेशा. Always respect your elders. Always respect your elders. Next, bring, लाना. Sentence, bring a glass of cold water for me. Bring a glass of cold water for me. Next, off, बंद करना. Please turn off the television. Please turn off the television. Next, meet, मिलना. Sentence, let's meet tomorrow morning. Let's meet tomorrow morning. Next, between, बीच में. This is just between you and me. This is just between you and me. Next, send, भेजना. Please send the package to my address. Please send the package to my address. Next, stay, ठहरना. Sentence, you can stay with me for a few weeks. You can stay with me for a few weeks. Next, plan, योजना. Sentence, What's your plan this time? What's your plan this time? Next, decision, निर्णय. This is a big decision for me. This is a big decision for me. Next, join, जुड़ना. Sentence, he wants to join the cricket team. He wants to join the cricket team. Next, situation, परिस्थिति. The situation is getting out of hand. The situation is getting out of hand. Next, piece, टुकड़ा. That is a piece of cake. That is a piece of cake. Next, describe, वर्णन करना. Sentence, describe yourself in one word. Describe yourself in one word. Next, whatever, कुछ भी. Sentence, choose whatever flavor you like the best. Choose whatever flavor you like the best. Next, ability, योग्यता. Sentence, he has the ability to explain things well. He has the ability to explain things well. Next, attack, आक्रमण. The army will attack at dawn. The army will attack at dawn. Next, growth, विकास. Sentence, the company has seen a strong growth this quarter. The company has seen a strong growth this quarter. Next, pretty, प्यारा. Sentence, that is a pretty dress. That is a pretty dress.